Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Mandloy. Today I am explaining distinct mathematics and topics tautologicals and contraction and logical equivalence. Tautologicals. A tautological is a statement or a proposition that is always true, regardless of the truth values of its components. In other words, it is a logical truth that holds under all possible interpretation. Symbolical representation, symbolic representation. In symbolic logic, A topological or denoted by the symbol T. That is sometimes T or 1. Example: consider the statement A or not A. This statement are topological because it asserts that neither A is true or not A is true, which covers all possible scenarios. Therefore, it is always true regardless of whether A is true or false. That is, true, false, this true, false, true, this true. That is P and Q, P and Q. True, true, true. This is all the statements are true. Next topic is contradiction definition. A contradiction is a statement or proposition that asserts both a claim and its denied similarities, resulting in a logical inconsistency. It is a statement that is always false regardless of the truth values of its components. Symbolical representation. Contradiction can be represented symbolically using logical operators. For example, A belongs to A where A representing logical and representing negative. Symbolic like this, the construction A and not A. Example: consider the statement A and not A. This statement asserts that proposition A is true and is negation not A is also true similarly. However, this creates a logical inconsistency because A and not A cannot be both be true and true at the same time. Therefore, A is a not A is a classic example of a contradiction, as it is always false under the interpretation. That like is example A not A and A and not A. That is true and false. This false. This statement is false and true. This false. That is statement true or false. This is a statement false. Next topic is logical equivalence. Logical equivalence refers to the relationship between two statements or proposition that have the same truth values under all possible interpretation or truth assignment. In other words, if two statements are logical equivalents, they are always true or another value is false, regardless of the other specific value of their component, that is true and false. That is a logical equivalence of between two statements of relationship. And this next topic example is logical equivalence. Example: consider the statement A and B and B and A. That is, this statement expresses the same conjugation proposition albeit in different orders. Regardless of the order, both statements have the same truth value, that truth value of all possibles, and a combination of truth value properties of A and B. Therefore, A and B logical equivalence of B and A. That is like A and B and A and B and B and A. That is true and true value. That is statement true A and true B. This A and B true and B and A is true. That like A true and false. This statement A and B false and B and A false. That is like statement false and true. A and B is false, B and A is false. That like statement false and false. Like A and B false and B and false. That is like logical equivalence. And thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.